Alright, so clearly we're outside. I couldn't film how I got to this point, honestly, because I don't have anybody here to hold the camera. And what you see there is a two-handed project, so I'll just explain it. What you see here is called a chimney starter. It's a big, basically I just call it a paint can with a handle. It's been cut out on both sides. This one's made by Weber. And basically it just holds a really good amount of charcoal. And you put it in there, and in the bottom down here, what I do is put newspaper that I saved from the grocery store, little ads or whatever right here, and I just fold it up into kind of like a tube shape and make a ring and put it around the bottom and light it on fire, and then in turn it will burn the coals. And when you see this again, all of this will be red and glowing when these are nice and hot. So I had to use a bunch of them, a bunch of charcoal this morning, because I got two things working against me for this cook, and those are temperature and wind. Unfortunately, it's about 35 degrees out here right now, and the wind has been gusting pretty good. Hopefully it's starting to die down, because the one thing that'll kill the smoke is wind, and we're up against it today. So anyway, here is the bottom of the smoker. I have around the edge there some charcoal kind of in a wreath shape, and what I'll do is when this over here, the chimney, is ready to go, I'll put those coals in the middle there in the hole, and the ring there around here will kind of catch on fire, or not catch on fire, but they'll start to heat up. It's called the minion method. So the hot coals in the middle will eventually ignite all of these in the bottom, and we'll get a good pit going. Basically, this is your pit. So once that comes up to temperature, right before I put the meat on, I'll put the wood. I've got apple wood and hickory, and I use a blend of these two when I'm doing pork shoulders. And you can see the smoker. Of course, there's the pit at the very bottom, and there's the middle drum and the lid, and I'll stack all that up and put that bowl. I don't really just use it to catch the drippings, and the two racks, and you'll see all that when I get ready to put that all together, and we'll let it come up to temperature for about an hour, and then I'll put the meat on, and the work in the morning will be pretty much over. So I got a few more things to do, mainly go inside and warm up because it's freaking cold out here, and we'll wait for these to get nice and red, and you'll probably start to see it in the bottom here. There's a little glow, maybe you can't see it, but anyway, next time you see this, you'll know what I'm talking about. It'll be lit up like Christmas.